Alright, we got the lintel set in, 12 foot, so currently not putting the garage door in until we really know what we're doing with the place, but it's put in here so we can go ahead and, in the future, if we want to put the door in the side, we just can cut the side wall here, knock the wall out, and the lintel's already placed. Blocked up this window, major pain in the butt. Got a reblock here, put the other lintel in for the window, and then I got 4 more courses to carry all the way to the back. And then 1 more course here, and then all of our blocks done. Got my fingertips pretty worn, raw, bleeding, hurting. It's 100 degrees, but we're making progress, slowly but surely. Got a extra set of hands helping me and stuff today, and a little bit last week. He's a good guy, been working his butt off and needs some money, so I wasn't going to turn down somebody willing to work. He's been helping clean up all these blocks and stuff for me. He helped take out this whole middle wall here. There, we got this last beam we're going to put in here. You can see we're going to put it right underneath the existing wood beam, what's left of it, I guess, from that room. But it should be pretty easy since the roof and everything's already kind of off of this. We've already done the other 2 that were a little more challenging, so we're just going to set it up there with the skid loader and get the post in, and then we'll be ready to put the roof on. Hey, ¿qué pasa? Eh? We do good? We got the staple gun? There we got strips.
Hey, tu baño.
He's a good guy. It's almost cerveza time. It's 95 degrees. I'm a white boy and I ain't cut out for this. But shooting purlings on. And then cutting strips here, and then we're gonna start sheathing soon. So maybe. I mean, it's humid. I'm sweating balls right now. Yeah. Is that a sexual reference?
No, that was an object.
Yeah, it's square-ish. My blocks are blocking.
That ain't right, bud.
But look at the view, though. We got a lovely view. You know?
That ain't right there, Chris.
Don't you question my work. Oh,
No, that was me.
There's the man.
That's Master.
The man. Boss man.
Master, don't hurt me, Master. I don't want to be hurted, Master.
Get you a man that's forklift certified, people.
Toyota.
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 In case you were wondering, I am not forklift certified. I can't believe they let me drive this thing. Senor, huh? You can't say you're tired, we're only a quarter of the way done. Huh? Alright.
Pew, pew, pew.
Woo-wee!
Morena, cielito lindo, vienen
Tú es mías a gringo, eh? Eh? Getting it done! Well, we got about half this thing sheathed. Rained on us a little bit. But we ain't letting that stop us. Gonna try to get this knocked out today. Definitely some fun stuff here. New to me. Well, one full day's worth of hard work and some help. We were able to get this thing pretty much covered. I feel like my hands are going to come apart, but finally looking like we're doing something for once. So I'll finish up that area over there, and some other blocks on this very top course are loose, so gotta fill them in. Gonna back pour some in the block to lock them all together since these walls aren't poured, and then it should be ready for the rubber roof and insulation board. Alright, we're putting down synthetic paper before the roofers come and put the insulation board and the rubber roof down. This will kind of act as like a moisture vapor protector. Start at the back and we work our way forward a layer each time. That way the water sheds off if it does get underneath of that rubber membrane. And then we're just taking up the sides a little bit, and that rubber will actually come up the side and onto the top of our pressure treated wood here. So it all should be pretty sealed up, but it looks like we're fixing to get a storm, so I'm gonna try to get this on before we get wet.